Condor RC all over it. This is built for 98 BP.
All right, guys, we are about to start with the ARRMA Quake. We got my beautiful wife there with one camera. We got the ARRMA Quake over there. We got the remote over here. And we're gonna jump this boy over here because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to jump it into the grass, into the asphalt. Dale. Right, first. Right, needs more punch, definitely. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. Wow, that was amazing, guys. I love this car. It's impressive. I have to control the air pool there because I don't want that to.
FMS crawling FCX 24 on the rocks, no falling, just calling that. Breathe slow, climb steep, that life too. Throttle control, not just speed.
Damage inspection. Let's see. Any damage or something? It's looking pretty good. I gotta learn a little bit the air control. Wow, that was amazing. Like it. All right, guys.
Wow.
All right. Uh-oh.
Backyard turned to by grass tall like trees.
Okay. Oh, ese fue el mejor salto. ¿Lo viste? ¿Grabaste bien? Oh, oops. full-throttle. Oh my god, so excited. I'm getting the skills, guys. I'm getting the skills. I really like the FMS, guys. I mean, the Quake is just a king, but I don't know. This is like retro style. It fits my feelings.
We love the mini class, fits in the kitchen, rips on the grass. Kids can carry it, pros can't tune it. Same rash time, same hurry, run through it. Reset RX by TX trim. Slow, crawl over roots.
Oh my goodness, that was a straight. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. These two cars, the Quake and the FMS F100, are amazing. Keep watching. Wow, that was nice air control. Wow, that was nice air control. Oh my god, I love it.
Got it. Right. No Thecondor RC all over it. This is built for 98 BPM.
Wow. Oh my god, I love this.
Thecondor RC on the track. Lights green. Let's go. One more pack. Yeah. Late night. Heavy job, noise drowns out. From work, bitch, to dirt pit. That's therapy. Break big, run, repeat. That's chemistry. Thanks for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time. RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars, the speed, the turns, the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.